This is a quick revision of plant nutrition or photosynthesis for IGCSE. Photosynthesis requires two raw materials or two reactants, which are first the carbon dioxide and water. Carbon dioxide, because it's a gas, it would enter the leaves through holes or through the stomata. Now, the other raw material or the other reactant, which is water, it enters the plant from the roots by osmosis, and then it climbs up the xylem vessel in one direction until it gets to the leaves. Once it gets to the leaves, it would be transpired or lost through the stomata as well. Now, photosynthesis also requires another limiting factor, which is light energy. Light energy is absorbed by chlorophyll. The third limiting factor of photosynthesis is temperature. Temperature is required for optimum enzyme activity. Photosynthesis produces two main products. The essential product or the useful product is glucose. Glucose could be used for respiration to release energy. Glucose could also be translocated or transported around the plant, but when it's translocated, it would be translocated in phloem in the form of sucrose. Note that translocation occurs in both directions, depending on the season. The final destination of glucose, it could be stored in the form of starch in storage organs in the roots. Finally, oxygen is the waste or the byproduct. It could be used for respiration in the plant or could be lost by diffusion.